In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zoom to Google Calendar. We'll go through the setup process inside Google Calendar, and then I'll show you how to start using it when creating a new event. This is helpful if you regularly schedule meetings and want a faster way to connect your calendar events with Zoom. To begin, open Google Calendar in your browser. Make sure you're on the main calendar page before moving on, since all of the setup will start from there. Once the page loads, look toward the top right area of the screen and click the gear icon. This opens your calendar settings menu and gives you access to extra tools and integrations. From that menu, click Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can search for apps that connect with Google Calendar. When the Marketplace appears, go to the search bar and type in Zoom. You should then see Zoom appear in the search results. Click on Zoom to open its add-on page. Here, you'll usually be able to review the app details and confirm that it's the correct Zoom integration for Google Calendar. Once you're on that page, click Install. Depending on your account, Google may ask you to review permissions and continue through a few approval screens. Just follow the prompts until the installation is complete. This step allows Google Calendar and Zoom to work together, so future event scheduling becomes much more convenient. After the add-on is installed, return to Google Calendar. Now it's time to start using it. Click Create to begin making a new calendar item. Then choose Event. This opens the event editor, where you can enter the details for your meeting. Go ahead and create an event by adding the